away gratitude. So in this video, we are going over hydroponic system, cucumber plant, pollination. Some cucumber plants pollinate by themselves. Other cucumber plants do not pollinate by themselves. And so with the hydroponic system like this one, we have to be the bee in essence. So of course, usually outside, the bees would fly into there. Let's see, these are the male cucumber flowers. And they have a very thin stem. And on the inside, looks like that. And this is a cucumber that we've already pollinated. See the flower on the end. But we have some others growing, and we'd like to share the information. So this is the female cucumber flower, and as can be seen, it has a baby cucumber behind it with all these little tiny hairs on it. And the inside of this one looks like this. So it's like 3 nodes and a hole in the middle. And the way to do this is like this. So you get the male cucumber flower, and before the female flowers come, you'll get a lot of male flowers because they're prepping. The plant's prepping everything for the female flowers whenever they come. But this is how we do it. So get the male flower and then pull off the petals. Make sure to get that off. Alright, one moment, because we kind of pulled that one apart too much. And boom. So once we pull off the petals, this is what we're left with. And this is where the pollen is. So we get some tweezers. Don't gotta be anything special, just something to get a good grip. And this is the female flower right here. So we just get it, get this, stick it in there. Move it around. Make sure it's getting pollinated. And it's important that we do this because, as we said before, not all cucumber plants pollinate themselves. So if we don't do this, it's very likely that the cucumber will be stunted, the flower will fall off, and then the tiny cucumber will fall off. It won't grow. So as could be seen, we do this about 4 times, and then over the next few cycles we'll repeat the process until we feel that it's properly pollinated. So we'll probably do that again tomorrow, but that's what we did to get this one to start growing like that, which is not all the way done, but it's growing. So that's how we do it. Away you, gratitude. Away you.